Francisco Acuna, the shortstop, leads off for the Mission / Flying Chocolates. Last of the first inning, and the pitch by 19 runs batted in. Right-hander winds, the one-strike pitch. Slider, check swing. Check it out. Chad Patterson worked 153 and 2/3 innings, and the off-speed pitch is off the outside corner low in the count. 2-1. He's allowed 57 hits, 30 runs, 27 earned, but prone to give up the long ball. He's given up 7 gopher balls this year. 2-1 delivery, fastball, swing and a miss. Blew it by Acuna, kept it away from him. Started against him last month during Kids Day in Midland, and the slider's low and outside. Full 5.6 ERA. Made 6 starts, walked 3, struck out 29 and 31 2. Right-hander comes set, the high kick, the 3-2 pitch again. Lifted foul, plays well at the top of the zone because of his below-average release height. Throw that for Seaver with pinpoint control. And late, 286 hitter, 2 homers, 19 RBIs. Fastball a strike on the outside corner, 0-1.
Later revving crowds too, but coming.
Another Taco Bell value night, and the pitch. Fastball way inside as Ortiz checks the swing. 1 ball, 1 strike. Hander comes set again on the 1-1 delivery. Outside and low to Devin Ortiz. 2 balls, 1 strike. 2 plate appearances. He had gone 0 for 2. Drive into right field. And actually it was caught. Tied for the club lead at home runs with 70. He has 18 RBIs. And he takes the pitch on the inside corner. 0-1.
The drive was caught.
Schwan kicks the 1-strike delivery. Breaking ball low and inside. And the count is 1 ball and first inning, 0-0. Now the 1-1 delivery. Breaking ball in there. Call strike 2, and Valenzuela behind. 1 ball and 2 strikes. Run, 7 hits, walked on, and struck out 9. And the next pitch. And this one is hit deep. 18th. It has gone at least 6 innings in 3 straight games. He's ready. 5 runs, 4 earned, 4 hits, no walks, and 1 strikeout. And a swing and a miss. And speaking of strikeouts, Valenzuela goes down on strikes. Side off the stretch is Schwang, and he delivers. And this one is popped up on the left side of the infield. The shortstop Angeles is there. Now on the infield grass, makes a one-hand grab. 4th inning. Pitch by Schwang. There's a drive in the right field. Going to his left is Perez. He's got it. Hard line drive, not much altitude. Will run to the top of the sitting lead, 1-0. And the pitch, splitter, strike in the outside corner, 2 Ks. Right-hander ready, the 2-1 delivery. Check swing, call, strike in the outside corner. Well, I'll tell you, Schwang is really stand ready. 2-2 delivery, check swing, low and inside. Full count, 3-2. On deck, the center. Right-hander at the belt. Runner goes, and the pitch swung on and missed, and down goes Gomez. Strike 3, struck him out. Got fooled on a slider, and that'll do it for the Flying Chocolates here in the 2nd inning. 0 lead. Now the right-hander winds the pitch to the left-hand batter. Swing and a miss. Nice changeup by Schwang. Murphy was way out last night. Had a good night. Now the 1-strike offering. And it's fouled off the netting, bouncing toward home plate. And for Toronto, he had an injury-riddled year with the Mets and Rangers last year. And the next pitch inside and high, 1-2. Here's the 1-2 offering. Pulled foul.
Yeah, my file up there, the brain.
Is the native of Missouri, by the way. 1-2 delivery.
And St. Louis.
And the next pitch hit foul. Yogi Berra spent 17 years with the Yankees. And the pitch low and inside, and the count even at 2-2. Played on 10 at Yankee Stadium, number 8, because of both of them. Pitch is fouled off the foot of Murphy, rolling toward the third base side. And the count will continue. Right-hander stretching. 2-2 pitch coming up. Here it is. Slider swinging a miss, and Murphy goes down on strikes. 1 away. Strikeout number 4 for Chen Schwang. Now the right fielder Josh Beers will bat for the first time. Big right-hand batter hitting 170. That went 504 feet on the delivery, and the slider lowered away, and the count to Mears at 2 RBIs. The infield deep toward the left. The pitch, slider, and a swing and a miss. Schwang can be overpowering. 5 different pitches. Going after his 4th win, and the next pitch, check swing, strike in the outside corner. Mears behind 1 at Schwang. This will be a 1-2 pitch. Here it is. Swinging as a drive in the left center field. Going to his right is the center fielder, Henry Bolte. Batter. 2 for 8 in the series, and the pitch, and it's low and outside for ball 1. Now the 1-0 offering, breaking ball low and inside, and the count 2-0. Wong with the kick and the 2-0. Fouled off to the right side, heading toward the picnic area, 2-1. Get home runs in 4 straight games. 2-1 delivery, high and inside, ball 3, and Acuna ahead 3-1. He's at the belt. 3-1 delivery, and this one is hit in the air to left field. Right there, the left fielder Trinkle. He is under it, and Trinkle makes the grab for the 3rd out, and that'll retire the side.
4th inning, Devin Ortiz to lead it off, and he lays off that pitch, but it's a letter-high fastball in there. 3rd baseman up there, lined out his first time up. Had 3 hits last night. 4th inning, and the first pitch, or second pitch now, a little squibber up the first baseline, fielded. Here it comes, a little bit low for ball 2. 2 balls and 2. Holds the bat on his shoulder. And there's a slider low and away, ball 3. So Devin has worked the count full now. 3. Warm evening, of course, but with that wind blowing over the wall in right field, it cools things down for the fans. The inning, let's see if Valenzuela and Sanabria can move him around. Down into the dirt. Valenzuela waits, and it's off the plate, ball 2. 2-0. The pitch comes, and that's Ortiz who edges away. And does the ground ball make it through? It does. Sneaks on through the right side. Base hit for Valenzuela, and that moves Ortiz down to second base. And to begin the inning here, the mission leads, and Sanabria up there, and he fouls it back to the netting, back to the plate. It's strike 1. Sanabria of the league comes set, checks the runner at second, brings it to the plate. And he catches the knee-high fastball in there. Club leading the league in hitting. And he had a B on that one, but fouled it back. Long look again, and here it comes, and swung on and missed for strike 3. So Sanabria fooled on the off-speed pitch. The leaders in RBIs, slugging. He leads in doubles in the Texas League. He's ready. Up the plate, holds the bat high, and hits that one pretty deep left field. Will that ball go way back against the wall? It is caught against the wall. Oh man. That ball just kept drifting and drifting, but the left fielder, Trenko, got over there against the wall, looked up and pulled it down. That ball missed going out of here by just a couple of feet. So 2 down. Man, he gave it a ride. But the wind did not do him any favor. So the mission inning that started looking pretty good with a walk and a base hit. Now we're down to a 2-out batter coming up, Anthony Villar. Anthony, the catcher tonight, he hit the ball hard his time up. Line to right. Got all the weekend ahead of you, and a swing and a miss by Villar way out in front of that pitch. He's ready to pitch, checks the runner at second, and delivers it off the plate wide for ball 1. 1 ball and 1 span. Swing and a miss, strike 2. Villar head on. And here we go. And that's hitting the air down the left field side. It's going to drift into the stands and out of play. Feed more there. It was caught against the wall. And reaching out, staying alive. Play 2. Here we go. Oh, in on him. He spun out of the way. Just missed. That's ball 2. 2 balls and 2 strikes. In there. Brenner's lead off. Here comes the pitch. Popped up our way, and that'll be a fun night. Here comes the pitch. Up and in. Ball 3. 3-2. So, with the full. All right, there they go. Here's the pitch. Upstairs, ball 4. Good eye by out there unless he hits a shot. Strike. Fastball. Here it comes. And he got around late and fouled it back to the screen for strike 2. Runner Ortiz dancing down the line at third, and the pitch is low and away for ball one. 1 ball, no strike. And he cracks a base hit to left field. That's in there. That's going to score one. The runner at third will stop. So it'll still be bases loaded, and this game is tied on the base hit. Here's Kai Murphy. He chases after it. Off-speed pitch. He was way out in front. Strike one. Kai have been close. And that's a case again tonight. And once again, Murphy way out in front of that all game. Missions edging away. Here's the 0-2. Strike three. Got him. That ends the inning. Missions leave the sacks jam, but they do pick up the tying run. And at the end of 4, it's now mid. Inside, he scoots back from ball one. Does Joshua Mears. Waiting, but hitting just 170. And he gets under that, pops it up. That should be back into the seats, and it is. Back of the plate. Waits. And it's an off-speed pitch that stays inside. Ball two. 2 balls and 1 strike.
Coming on when Midland bats in the 6th.
And a big rip at it by Mears. Goes around to hang on the hill. Here is his delivery, and that ball is laced down the left field line. That's a fair ball. It's going to go into the corner, bouncing around down there. Here's Mears digging for second. He's thinking a 3. He's going to try the throw. Head first slide. He's in there with a triple.
There, Missions with an opportunity. Runner at third and nobody out.
That's my favorite play in baseball. Strike one. Cunha, he hits it through the hole in left field. Missions are going to grab the lead. Acuna bat. Runner edges off first base. That one dips low for ball one. 1 ball. Acuna, big lead at first, and the pitch is at the letters. Strike one, off-speed pitch. And the count. We've seen him in the series. And finding the hole on the right side is Ortiz again. Nice base hit, nice bat control. And he just punched it. Throw to second base. Oh, it hits the runner, goes into center field. Here is Acuna thinking about scoring, but no, he's going to play it safe. And now the throw comes in and almost gets away from the catcher. But Acuna will be at second, at third.
Enabling both Acuna and Ortiz to move up a base.
And that pitch is popped up on the infield, but I think the wind will push. Valenzuela with some power, 7 home runs, 18 RBIs. And it's that ball to center field. Will be deep enough to score the run. They are not going to send him. And wisely so, as that throw was on the line. And that's off the plate. Ball one, and the catcher came up ready to throw. Did not. Zwang delivers, and it's too low. A fastball that needs it. And there he pulled the string on that one. So he went from the fastball to the off-speed pitch, and he ends. Inside to Sanabria, and that is ball 3. He's kind of pitching around him. And off-speed pitch is swung on and missed. Strike second and third. Sanabria pops it up on the infield. That should be caught. Catcher behind home plate with his back to the infield makes the play. So Sanabria got under it and fouls out to the catcher. 2 down now.
Schwang's really hanging tough, but I'll tell you one.
Because Castillon can come through with a big hit. And once again, the off-speed pitch. He swings and misses. Strike one.
Sometimes Castagnone, a good time.
0-1, the pitch. Goes the opposite way and fouls against the screen down the line. 0-2. And steps in. The pitch. Got a piece of it off the bat handle. A fastball. And he fouled it back to the screen. He does this time. Here it comes. And that fastball is outside. We're in the 5th inning. Here it comes. The delivery is down low. Ball. Here it comes. Too low. Nice block by the catcher. Kept it in front of him. The 3-2. Here it comes. And that is a slider off the plate. Ball 4. So for the second time tonight.
Knew that there were some more sliders that were going to come his way, and he was very patient, Earned that walk, and here comes Gregorio Petit to the mound, and I think this may be it for Schwung, and it is.
So we'll be right back with this new pitcher, brought to you by Matt.com.